plumbers! If you don't know, we do everyday plumbing, the good, the bad, and the ugly. And on this beautiful day, we have a heat call at a restaurant. We're going to check it out. Kind of a weird situation. The boiler is up in the second floor attic. The restaurant's down below. So stay tuned and we'll get the shots. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing. Follow the journey as I train my two sons the plumbing trade. It's going to be a long journey, but well worth it, because we all know plumbing ain't going nowhere. We'll see you inside. Alright folks, here we are. We got a couple Teledyne Lars, I believe, and right out of the gate we got a leaking boiler drain into a bucket. So I didn't know nothing about this, but we'll take care of that while we're here. Now I just walked through downstairs and the heat's running fine. Now I'm going to guess that the problem is this right out of the gate, that one of these boilers went bad and they tied both loops into one boiler, which I'm almost positive it's undersized. So we're going to get to the bottom of it right now and get the temperature reading. The temp is at 140, 130. Okay, a lot of things going on here where someone's been working on this. And let's get to the bottom of the BTUs on this heater. 180,000 BTUs, net 125. So this thing's way undersized. There it is. Oh, the net's 180. Still very small for the restaurant downstairs. Everything's coming back nice and hot. Not like you would want it though. I do have the thermostat up right now. Boiler is not running as it should be. So where's the high limit at? Wow. This should be running and it's not. I had the thermostat up to a 75. Now here's the high limit right here. Here we go, boys and girls. Let's see what's set for here. Can I get in there? How come you can't get this thing off? Oh, look at that. Someone's got the high limit set for 160. So I should be able to turn this up and it should kick on. Okay? That's the problem. Yeah, the high limit set for at least 130, probably 140. So we're going to put the 180 where it should be. There it is. The high limit was set for 130. I'll put it where it should be, and the heater kicked right on. We're still going to talk about a new boiler here because this thing's on its way out. We'll get a more efficient boiler. As you see, one went bad. They tied both systems into one, and we're working off one boiler. It's just a matter of time. And that bucket over there isn't helping. And look at this beast mode. Okay? You gotta love it. 100-gallon commercial, I'm sure. Get the shot. Yes, sir. 98 gallons. So what we're gonna do? We're gonna change out this boiler drain. I'll be able to shut this off. Who's the jerk that put the gas pipe right here? It's Mega Press. Who did that? Okay. Put this stupid gas on anyway, but I'm going to reverse the handle, shut off the water, the drip is stopping, the drip is stopped. We'll leave this here like so. So I figured out what they're doing here. This is siphoning the bucket out. The backflow preventer is working. What we're going to do, that was just fainting because I had the water off. We're going to give a number on the new boiler, one single. We're going to get the information and pass it on to the owner. It's going to be a long winter, and this has been here a long time. So, there it is. The heater's off. I just shut the thermostat down and you see what we got. We need a new boiler, a new setup. So I'm going to take some pictures, pass it on to the owner, and hopefully score a nice job. But I'm sure it won't happen this winter. Too many other projects going on. And it's coming. They know it. It's just a matter of when they pull the trigger, like everybody else. Hopefully we'll do it when the time is good for all of us. But in the end, we got it done. I just figured out what they're doing here. They're using this hose. I'm going to hook the hose back up over here. I don't know, why it's disconnected, but it is. Put it back together. Maybe somebody was power washing out back. I don't know. Let's give it to him like so. There it is. Alright. We're out of here. Well, there you have it. We got it done. little minor tweak. They have a big party coming in tonight, and now we know why the heat wasn't quite hot enough, even though it's a beautiful day today. It's up to temp. It should run good. It's going to work really hard to get temp, but again, we're going to pass all this information off to the owner. But for tonight's party, you know what that means. And there goes another satisfied customer. See you at the next one, folks.